This video is from LaureateDesignLab, School of Design, Art, Architecture, Planning, Consulting and Research. This is the scene setting. So these two people I select and I lift them up to show you that they are not part of the background. Yeah, I undo it, they'll come back to the ground. And then after, you can have a look on the slider here. Once I pull the slider, the bird starts moving. So this is the bird which is constrained to the line or the path on which this bird will move around. Now I'll go to the material. In the material we are going to see this is the material which is matte shadow reflection, which is to be gone on the ground. And this is another one which is background switcher, about which I have talked about in the last video. After using these two materials in this tutorial, we'll have to use background the way we did in the last tutorial. So the background of the background switcher goes to the environment map. Now we'll animate this bird on this path. We go to animation, position controller, then path constraint. Now path constraint this bird to the line. It's done. So we see the keys on the 0, 0 and 180, 150. From this play button we play to see the movement of the bird on the line path. Now we'll go to the tool and view global, grab viewport, create animated preview. After creating it, in the bottom of the screen you can see the scene is being created and which will play on the screen itself. This is not rendered animation. This is just the preview option which can be opened in 3ds Max screen in just a fraction of time. Grab viewport, this is how it will start moving on the line path. You can see the bird is moving on the line path. Actually it is not flying, it is moving on the path. This is how we animate object on the path. Yes, you can see again it is moving on the path. This is how we learn about object animation on path. And this is the final outcome of this tutorial. To encourage us, please subscribe to our channel named LaureateDesignLab SOD. Thank you very much.